So let's talk about offers made over the phone, sight unseen, for possibly a motivated seller. Maybe it's a seller that lives out of state. Maybe it is a seller that lives across town and this is a rental property for them. Could be a couple of different reasons why we're giving an offer over the phone. Generally, as a rule, we don't do that because it is better to get face-to-face with a seller. But there are those instances where you've established a rapport on the phone. So that would be number one, establish a rapport over the phone. And then once you've done that, you've gotten some initial information about the property, how many beds, how many baths, that kind of information, what, if any, updates they've done, does it have a pool, your basic information. Generally, I would say that you would call them back at that point to run some comps, do some intelligence investigating on the property so that you can get back with them with a solid offer. A lot of times I would also recommend setting it up as an actual a phone appointment. So then that way you know that they're more motivated to answer your call. You're not having to chase after them to give them this offer, and you've got a set time with them. They also know that means you're more serious about the appointment too. So once you've gotten that appointment, you've run your comps, call them up, give them a range. I would always suggest maybe a little bit higher than you normally, would offer. Get yourself in the door and then set up a physical appointment. If still you can't set up a physical appointment because the property has a tenant or for one reason or another, meet them at a Starbucks. Somehow be able to get in front of them so you can give them that solid offer. If they accept this, great. Send them a DocuSign contract, get their email address, whatever you have to do to get that contract in front of them and signed, perfect, done. Then you would follow the same procedures that you would on any cash sale, basically setting up a time where you can view the property. Obviously, your sale would be contingent on inspection of the property, just in case it's not all they said it was. And that's when you gather your pictures and all of that additional things. Thank you so much for watching today. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And I hope you have a great day.